Hi all you lovely people, how are you doing? So welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how I get ready. I just have 1 hour for reporting, so we'll start getting ready. So before that I should just go and put on my dress and start on makeup. Now I'll do my hairstyle. Before makeup I usually do hairstyle because hairstyle takes quite long time than makeup, I believe. So let me just go quickly and make my hairstyle and then we'll start with makeup.
Because you see I have really short hair, so it's quite difficult to set all of these in a bun. So extension is my savior.
So guys, I am done with my hairstyling and now we'll start with the makeup. So before starting, I'm using this Maybelline primer for a base. It protects your skin from makeup.
So rub gently on all over your face.
Okay, so we are done with priming. Now we'll start with makeup. So I'm using this kryolan corrector for my dark circles.
So apply this corrector under your eye.
I have a lot of dark circles because of my night flights and I don't sleep early also. You can see Isha behind me. So correctors for all your acne, for your pimples, for any bumps on your face, you can use this corrector. This corrector is really good. This is orange and I really like this corrector.
This corrector basically hides all your dark circles and
Now
acne.
we'll dab. So do not just be harsh on your skin. Do not just rub it. Just dab. After corrector, I'm using this my really good MAC foundation. This is Studio Fix Fluid and it really goes well with your skin. It gives you a nice base. So
This foundation is my personal favorite because it's long lasting, it hydrates the skin, and it gives you a very good coverage. Also, it gives you a natural look for a barely there makeup look. So if you're having a good makeup day, it's because of MAC.
now again, we'll not rub it, we'll just dab it. So my lips has become so dry. I'm using this lip balm, which is all over. उसको ऊपर से लगाना पड़ता है. So now I'm using this Colorbar blusher. Nicely on your cheeks. Don't go sideways or just go upwards.
Guys, I'm sorry I forgot to record this. Before blusher, I have applied Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder.
Now I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter, which is Molten Gold Maybelline. It's really good. It gives you really nice look. Only on your cheekbones, please. Do not make it too visible. It should be blend with your skin. Now I'm using finger for my eyelids.
I basically apply highlighter before eyeshadow, also after applying eyeshadow because I like sparkle.
Now we have a lot of eyeshadow, we have a lot of eye makeup. So currently which I'm using is Dual, which is orange and wine together, and this look is my personal favorite. So first we'll take orange nicely on your eyelids. So like for this portion, I'm gonna use my wine eyeshadow nicely.
So we have to blend both the eyeshadows properly so that it should not be visible like two colors are different. One is going on other direction and one is going somewhere else. So eye makeup should be blended really properly, really well.
So you can see both the colors are blended properly, orange and wine, and it looks so good. Now I'm gonna make my eyebrows with this palette only. So just take a trick.
So you can see my one eyebrow is quite dark and in shape, and the other is light and not in shape. So shaping and filling of eyebrows are very important for me. Even if I'm going out, I make sure that I have done my eyebrows. If I'm not doing any other makeup, but eyebrows is must.
So we're gonna use this wine on the lower outlet as well. Now I'm gonna take this highlighter again and use it on my eyes.
This gives your eyes really good look.
Now this part requires more patience, which I'm lacking. Nice, apple pizza. I think I have done justice to my eyeliner, and it's equal, and LHS is equal to RHS. Now my favorite thing in makeup is the eyelashes. So I love doing my eyelashes. So people often say that, are you wearing fake eyelashes or something? But no, I apply a lot of mascara because I love mascara. So before using mascara, you should curl your eyelashes with this. Okay, so for my mascara, I'm using this Colossal Maybelline mascara. It's really good and it has a volume. So let's apply. Now we will let it dry for a moment and I'll apply again. Till then, we'll apply lipstick. I'm using this Colorbar Deep Matte Lip Cream. It's really good. So now again applying the highlighter on sure whatever you're applying, blend it properly. So I think I'm almost done with my makeup. Let's go for one more round of mascara. Oh my god, I mean, just look at this. It's really, really good. So yes, and it's time for me to go and have lunch because I'm getting late for my flight. So guys, I'm done with my makeup and it's time for flight. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, I'm gonna share all the makeup products that I have used in this video, and I hope you like my look.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really love you, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon next week with a new video. I hope you like it. Bye till then. Take care. Love you.
Do not forget to apply